Hello, good morning. Welcome to my channel, The Missionary in Rural Village. This morning, I want to pluck tangerine for selling. In this place, women doesn't climb tree. So I hired this boy to come and climb and pluck it for me. Please help me. I'll pay you. Climb and pluck this tree. I'll give you this. This is called local hook. So I will give it to him. He will use it to block this thing. Please like and subscribe. Gentle, be careful. Please like and subscribe. I will give you. You can see it. This place. God give us wisdom. You can see it. This is tangerine. Yes. Yes. Uh-huh. Thank you and God bless.